Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up Splendies, which is a monthly panty subscription. It costs between $14.99 to $16.99 per month, and there typically is a code that is 50% off that'll pop up on the screen. There's also a code that's been around for a while that works, so I'll leave that all in the description box, non-affiliated, just to help you guys out. But this is kindly sent to me free for review, so thank you Splendies, and thank you guys for being here. If you guys are new, my name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here on our channel at 5 p.m. Eastern time, so if you love them too, I hope you consider sticking around and subscribing before you go. So yeah, with Splendies you get 3 pairs of panties each month, and they are so cute. The ones from March were like my favorite because they're all like Irish, like St. Patrick's Day themed. I'm an Irish girl and it was just so adorable. I'm guessing we're gonna have some like spring type colors this month, but we shall see. I haven't taken a peek yet. You get to tell them your preference in style or like cut, so you can choose like all thongs, surprise variety, which is what I chose, or all like brief like regular underwear. And most people say to size up one size, but they do have a size guide on their website you can check out. So let's see what we got. Wrapped up in cute tissue. Oh my god, there's dragonflies on it! Dragonflies have a special meaning to me. Oh, I love that. And right away I see bright color. Here's a little sneak peek. Let's start with that one. I love, oh my god, okay. I can tell I already like them all, but this is so cute. I love bright colors, and all these colors are so cute and so bright. And today is Venus Day, and like bright blue and bright colors are perfect for that. And I have so many panties now thanks to Splendies that I do try and like match my panties or have a theme with them. I don't know, it makes getting dressed in like life more fun, doing little things like that. So cute. These are stretchy. These look like they'll be super comfortable too. And then we have the next 2 pairs are pretty sexy and cute too. So this is another full back or like brief panty, but this one is this beautiful like light coral color, and it's sheer and it is stretchy. Oh, and it has like this flower lace pattern. Oh, I really like this. And there's a little bow in the front. Oh, I can see myself loving these too. Yay. And then the last pair is a thong, and this is so cute. Look, I love the blue and then this pink color added. And this one is also sheer like the last pair. It has that blue print, and here is the thong part in the back. You guys, I always love the panties from Splendies. What about you? What do you think? I think the last one's my favorite, but I love all of them. I am happy with each and every single one. Let me know what was your favorite of mine. And if you get Splendies, are we panty twins? Because they do have a variety, so we don't always get the same panties. Just FYI if you're new to Splendies. So it could be a surprise if yours are still on the way. But that is everything I have today, guys. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know how you're doing. Thank you again for being here and watching. I hope you consider subscribing if you haven't already. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.